Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install OBS and the basic setting of OBS Studio for the beginners. First you're gonna do, go to the Google browser and simply type OBS. First you type OBS, go to the second link of OBS Studio. If you have a laptop and such like computer or a desktop, simply like select this icon. If you are MacBook, you can select this icon. I don't know what icon is this. If you use this icon type of thing, you're gonna select this icon. Okay, I am on my desktop, that's why I click on this icon. Simply download it. Okay, that's okay. I already have installed downloaded in my folder. I simply open folder, double click on that OBS setup and press yes and press next. I already installed in my computer, that why I cannot install it again. If you do not install it your PC, please do install it again. Please you do install first, and then this type of logo will appear on your screen, or otherwise you will press space and press OBS. Okay, that will appear on your screen, OBS Studio. Click that to launch anyway. Take some time, and this is the first interface if you open OBS Studio for the first time. If you wanna capture your screen, simply wait, I can delete that. Yes, I know. Yes, if you wanna capture your display, I can go simply to the plus icon and display capture. Press OK. The display you are using will capture in your OBS Studio. If you wanna display your games, you can unbind this I think. And what game do you want? I play Valorant most of the time in my live stream. That's why I select Valorant in the game capture section. And for the setting, go to the setting section, stream. If you wanna stream on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, and Twitter, you wanna select all of these things. What do you want? I like to move on YouTube, that's why I select YouTube. Okay, to connect your account from the from OBS Studio, you simply click on that. It automatically go to your Google account and simply select what account do you want to connect in the OBS Studio. If you don't want to connect the account in your OBS Studio, simply use Stream key to zoom on the specific channel do you want. If you have a multiple channel, do not connect your account, use Stream key, for my opinion. And go to the output section. I have a 3500 kbps because my internet connection is a bit low. If you have a good connection, you can increase how much you can. Okay, if you have a good processor or good motherboard, you can simply select this software X264. If you have a good graphic card like higher GTX, not GTX, I'm sorry, like RTX or 1060, like that type of card, you're gonna select 5x. Okay, and audio section, you always select stereo, and your desktop audio is simply your headphone. Okay, headphone or your speaker. And for mic, you're gonna select your headphone mic or your wireless mic or your attachable mic. What do you want to do? For video section, you're gonna take the resolution from your screen resolution. Okay, put the resolution of your screen in both sections and simply select the FPS to 60. Mostly is complicated to use for streaming mostly, so skip that section. Okay, skip also this section and go to advanced. Select it normal and keep it all same and select and press on apply and press OK. You want to and press start recording. If you want a recording start. If you want streaming, you stream key and press streaming. The streaming will start. Okay. If you wanna um, if I want if you wanna help me write this video, okay, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.